Welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now, as old time people would I say, who can't hear will feel. We're now getting reports that Fitzroy Core, aka OJ, right, I think he's otherwise called Bees as well, has now lost his life. Yes, the same Fitzroy Core, where you'd have heard me say on many occasions, better you just go turn in yourself. And when you're not turning yourself, bring your JP, bring your lawyer and all these things. See, that's because OJ was one of the most brazen 87s coming out of Clarendon. OJ at one point did even start to send threat to the security forces. Say what gonna happen to them, right, because them kill him friend them, right, and anytime them see him, anywhere him see them, right, man I wanna get wet up, pure wicked talk, you got already 87s. When I heard this, that's when I started to make the people them know, so listen, since we don't love him, tell him to hand himself in, because we could already see what was going to happen in the future. I mean, never have a crystal ball. You see, even though recently most people that start to hear about Fitzroy Core, he actually has a very interesting past with the law. A matter of fact, in 2018, he was arrested, right, in Antigua. But a Clarendon, when I do Antigua, well, you see, Fitzroy Core, OCBs, OC, OJ, he get himself some problem with the law and decided to say him a cut. Right. And then he went to St. Kitts and took a flight from St. Kitts. And when he reached Antigua, as him touched the airport, as him touched the VC Bird International Airport, they more lamp on him, sent him straight back to Jamaica. That was May 2018. He was already one of the most wanted men in the country. Well, listen to that part now. OJ went to court and bust the case. Yes. You see, in November 2018, he was brought before the courts on a charge of shooting, right, with intent. And I'm telling you, say, a courthouse is something where any little serious technicality, you can beat the case, no care where you're guilty, no care what you do. Well, OJ, I was accused of shooting after a man in 2008, December 2008. A year long, him name I call for foolishness. Anyway, the man say, OJ come out of the car, fetched off him and start running down. It was like say, when him run down the man, he might fire behind the man and they gonna stick. Right. The man say, right, him run going in 1 yard. Listen how OJ beat the case now. Remember, you know. Man say man going in 1 yard, OJ a chase him. OJ a fire but they gonna stick. The man say him look round as him a get chased and glimpse OJ. You know what OJ lawyer arguing in court? The glimpse him no glimpse him good enough to know say I'm client. And then to make matters worse, the complainant said that OJ, right, was wearing just a kerchief around his neck. And another witness say who also see when time OJ ran on the man, say all him see was OJ wearing a cap. So one of them said them see me just a kerchief around his neck, and the next one said them only remember seeing him wearing a cap. You see that discrepancy right there, sir? The judge threw out the case. The lawyer said, listen, since the two of them can't even agree, when that way, threw out the case. Just like that, OJ beat it. Now, when people tell story, 3, 4, 5, get any amount of people and make them watch an event. I think I've said this before. Make 10 people witness something. The little small details will always be different. Right? The only thing I'm gonna get consistently is the big details. Right? Him run down the man and shot him, maybe about 5 shots or something like that. All them things that are gonna be consistent. Even the color of the shirt are gonna be different amongst the different witnesses. The color of the hairstyle, right? It's a phenomenon that happens anytime too much people witness one thing. The bad not that them not intentionally telling the line, but for some reason different people remember different things. You see that right there, so? You see when time you come to courthouse, that right there so help 87s. Because when they get a couple of witnesses, and one of them say, well, him did have one hat, and the next one say him did have one kerchief. When Peter Bog Juice hear that, right? You don't even have to be the big lie them like Peter Champagne and them on there, you know. You don't have to be Bert Samuels and them on there, Townsend. Just Peter Bog Juice alone can pick it apart. I said, no sir. We don't even know what my client was wearing. Your Honor, you have to throw out this case. Just like that. So a long time Fitzroy Court name a call. Right. But notice him beat that case there in 2018. Get Lego, you know. And still make himself all the way back. Still find himself all the way back to Clarendon's Most Wanted again. When I'm telling you, 87s can't help themselves. Some 87s simply cannot help themselves. When them boss case and you think alright, that are gonna make them sit down and that are gonna make them chill and turn them life around, that end up give them more superpowers, that give them more ratings, cause now them up on the corner and brag. What mean is it's a boss case. You know, see all the time the boy see me and the boy go testify against me, still boss case. That made them get even braver. Now them starting them say, alright, now me go push the boundaries. When me see what me can get away with now, they like children. They're like children. Well, another one gone. Just like that. Taking off the conveyor belt. Right. Listen out for yesterday. You know, him did help somebody with a schoolwork 10 years ago. Or whatever. Right. Listen out for yesterday one time him did help cross one goat cross the road. Because the goat look both sides and you know the goat you kinda nervous and then OJ come and help the goat cross the road. Listen out for them thing. See, before we finish this video, people, can you believe a certain member of the Klansman gang, not Richie, different youths, I don't think we talked about him already, but I don't think I've gone into details surrounding what this youth say. What this youth walk up along and tell people what I'm gonna do and what I'm gonna do, and him basically do him talk him sound like Sema Rambo. Well, Saturday early in the morning, he got a chance to prove some of the things that he was talking about. Right? People them from Waterloo Lane know me I talk about already. But I'm gonna make a special video for him. Yes, I'm gonna make a special video for him. Because this little 87, him crossed the line. Family, this 87 character going on. I mean, it's one thing for try bad up, for try bad me up. But family, well, I'm not gonna hear about him. Right. As I'm saying, get a chance to prove himself. Let's just say he did not live up to the hype. I'm gonna get him own video. If not tomorrow, I do after that. Smokey, Ezzy, make sure you keep an eye on this platform for the next 2 days. I'm going to hear about it, brother. 2021 look like it's going to be a serious year. Serious year. It look like when you see when the police release most wanted list. It look like clans are for the most wanted list though. And it's starting to look like I'm at the top. Very interesting. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Vulture squad, stay circling. See, this is why when I tell people to show my DM, show my messages some respect. Stop wasting my time with your favorite celebrity gossip. I don't care, you're on the wrong platform. It's because when you send those useless messages and topics there is no way I'm going to cover. You push down the messages that I care about further, deeper and deeper, and I have to go through 100 messages to get to the ones I actually care about. I made a post on my IG making it clear that moving into 2021, playtime is done. I'm not into talking no more. Now I'm gonna just say, hey, this I don't cover things like this, stop saying things like this. I'm not into talking no more. People are going to get instantly blocked. Right. Because this is now becoming a low level trolling. Anybody with sense must know what I'm about and the type of things I cover. Right. So when you keep sending me rubbish, making it hard for me to get to people, especially people in special ops, one very important mission that I need to be updated very quickly so I can stay ahead of the game. Instant deportation. People want to be hurt. People want to get upset. That's your problem. See, for you this is a joke. For you this is just another platform. You can have a little fun and then jump to another platform, then jump to another platform. For me, this is serious business. This is potentially life and death. Don't talk.